Get more of your agro-business production with the right tech tools and equipment. Starting and running a small and medium-sized business is simple with the right technology. eBase.ng is Nigeria's and Africa's foremost online tech resource and a one-stop shop for small, medium-sized businesses, workshops, and agro equipment. eBase.ng is powered by Eurobase Group Limited, an agro and SME equipment conglomerate by association and representation of 20 equipment manufacturers from around the world. Eurobase Group brings over 25 years of delivering top-quality, ultra-modern tools and equipment for small, medium, and large enterprises in all the agricultural, food processing industries in Nigeria and across Africa. We offer the best hybrid seeds, agro equipment and mechanization, animal husbandry and poultry, fishing and aquaculture, smart irrigation equipment, workshop equipment for every sector. Visit us today at www.ebase.ng or call our online support line on your screen for assistance in finding your next ideal equipment that works for your business. Find us on social media. Eurobase Group. People, technology, business.